All right. So this is how I increased my income $25,000 a year. It's somewhere between 20 and 25. The year's not over. Um, I used eBay. Um, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a system where you really only work on this an hour a day. Um, it's pretty easy. I enjoy it, and it really doesn't take that much time. All right, so this is my crash course on how I eBay. Um, it's just a quick overview of what I'm going to be doing and going over with you guys. Accounts needed, accounts, apps, software, everything you need to sign up for and get either on your mobile device or your computer. Finding a niche, that's the hardest part about it. I do bulk listings so that I can spend, an hour, hour and a half researching an item, and then I like to do bulk listings. I like to find the product either from China or preferably a local supplier, and then bulk list it and never run out of product. I'm going to go through how I ship, keep the costs down, and this part is once the listing's up, this is the part that you're going to be spending most of the time on. I'm going to show you how to optimize your time there. Next is maximizing profit. That's a big one. I've got quite a few little tricks on how to purchase, what to purchase, where to purchase certain things. Save money on supplies. That kind of goes with maximizing profit, but I'll show you what I use for my office supplies and shipping supplies. And then last, of course, is eBay account maintenance. Take care of your customers. That's one of the most important things. If you don't take care of them, they're not going to trust you. Without trust, this whole process won't work. Thanks. All right, so accounts needed. First off, of course, you need eBay. I would advise you to sign up for eBay, use a computer, and get the mobile app for eBay and PayPal. Sign up for both. PayPal is the pay system that eBay uses, and makes things a whole lot smoother. You have to have both of these to be able to run an eBay account. Next one, very important, Ebates. This is going to give you cash back on any purchases that you make through them. As well, ReceiptPal. This one isn't so important, but if you link your email address with your ReceiptPal, you basically get a penny back for every receipt that you upload. You can also manually upload if you go out to eat or to the grocery store or whatnot. You can still upload into ReceiptPal. I've been running this for about a year, and I made about $200. So next one, very important too, cashback credit card. I chose Chase Freedom just because they always offer at least 1% back. They have quarterly, they have certain categories that give more of a percent back than just 1%. This month I think they're doing 5% back on groceries. So this helps, and links are in the description to sign up for these. Alright, so the next thing is to find a niche. Easiest first step that I could think of is try to think of something that you cannot buy in a retail location locally. Those are the types of items that get ordered online. Normally when you talk about a niche, what you want to do is inside of your eBay business, you want to sell the same type of things. A lot of times, I'd say 3 or 4 times a week, I have a customer that purchases multiple items from my eBay store. Easiest way to find this is once you have a list of items that you cannot purchase around your home, start researching. Watchcount.com is a good one. Gives you how many watchers an item has for a given eBay item, and what the selling price is. Another good place is actually eBay. Go to their completed listings, see what has sold. You can figure out what and how frequent these items sell. Next is source the product. Advise you possibly inside of your niche, if there's a local manufacturer that is willing to distribute to you, contact them, look into that. If not, Alibaba and DHgate are also very good very good places. Alibaba the products take about a month to get to you. DHgate depends on what quantity and what items you buy. Some of the stuff comes DHL, within 7 to 10 days. So hopefully that'll help you find some products to sell. Alright, so next step is shipping. This is the most inexpensive way I've figured out how to do it. When you're starting off, print from your desktop printer. If you have a bubble jet, I don't know if that's old technology anymore, it may not work. The post office does not want bubble jet on their shipping labels. If the stuff gets wet, it smears. So try to get a laser jet or use somebody else's. Once you get 5 sales per day, you're going to be spending a lot of time taking a piece of paper, cutting it, ripping it, and then taping it to the package. Once you reach the 5 sales per day, I would say reinvest back in, get on Amazon, and I found the Dymo label writer 4XL for just under $200. Because of toner, this decreased my label price by half. So I'm spending roughly a half cent per label, maybe a cent. Regardless, it's very, very inexpensive. This is a thermal printer, no toners needed, and it's very, very, very fast. I may upload a real quick video showing 14, 15 labels being printed at a time. Next step is to purchase self-sealing poly mailers. I use the 6x9 self-sealing poly mailers. Amazon has 400 for $15. That'll get you started, and then once you get going, they have 5,000 of them for $109. I'll add those links in the description below. Another trick too, if you purchase your shipping through eBay, it automatically uploads tracking. This is important if you're looking to gain top-rated seller status or power seller. You have to upload your tracking fairly quickly. This cuts out some time that it takes to enter in that tracking information. All right, so this is the reason why in the first part of the video that I said you need to sign up for certain accounts and apps and whatnot. This is how I maximize my profit. So up here are 2 different flow charts on how people make money on eBay. The first one most people use. You start off with some items. Either you purchase them or you list them from your house. They go into your eBay account as an ad. People purchase them. That money goes into PayPal. People use their PayPal to ship, buy supplies, and then repurchase more items, and leaves you with just a little bit of money. So here's how I do it. I started out with a small investment, about $300 to $400 in some items. I bought one item and focused on it. Put them on eBay. They sold. That money went into my PayPal account. I set in my PayPal account the method of payment to my cashback credit card. So when I withdraw, all the money goes to me, and then when I ship, it purchases the shipping labels from the cashback credit card, and I roughly get about 2.5 cents per shipping label. Also on here, supplies. The reason why I said you need to sign up for an Ebates account is you're going to want to use your money, go to Ebates. Depending on what store you go, you can get 1 to 5% back. Use your cashback credit card to purchase those supplies, shipping supplies, equipment, whatever you might need. Another thing on eBay, you can go into your account, do a one-time payment, set your cashback credit card for your alternate payment, and use that to pay your eBay fees. This saves you another 1%. So on items, sometimes you may be able to buy items on Ebates or on from a store, and you can use Ebates to also save a certain percent to buy items for your eBay store that you might want to sell. use your cashback credit card also. Anyway, the way that this breaks down, this is going to depend on the cost of your goods sold, but this has saved me about 6% in total. So that's a 6% profit that I'm gaining just from using the cashback credit cards and Ebates. So hopefully this works for you guys. Okay, so last one is maintenance account. This one only takes an hour a day. This is, think of your eBay business and treat it as a business as two parts. You have the owner, which thinks about and how to optimize this system, and then you have an employee. This part right here is the employee part. You want to be as efficient with your time as possible, because time is what really matters. This is why you're doing this. First thing I do when I get into the office to take care of the eBay stuff is transfer money from PayPal to bank. Next, pay cashback credit card. With the Chase Freedom, you can pay once a day, once every business day. Third thing, print your shipping labels. Right after that, leave the feedback for the items sold. Always do positive. Just go ahead and do it the same day that they purchase it, or the same day that you print the labels. Go into your eBay account, go to the one-time payment, use your cashback credit card, and pay your eBay fees every day. The last thing, real simple, with the self-sealing envelopes and the thermal printing labels, it's pretty quick. So package your items and deliver them to the post office. Really, this whole process, even shipping 50 to 100 items a day, only takes me about 45 minutes. So hopefully this helps, and happy eBaying.